Today is a very exciting day. Today is the day after 7 years of work that we can open the PowerNEST and the very first installation. And this is a great innovation. We have really cool speakers coming. Bas Ruter, Per Boesgaarde, Leen van Dijken, and of course we have Jan Douwe-Kroeske here as our host and moderator. And we're gonna have a great event. So it's a very, very exciting day for all of us. PowerNEST is a completely new innovation that generates from two sources of energy, wind and sun, at the same time, and it's especially designed to be placed on high-rise buildings from 5 levels and higher. It is therefore the most efficient type of technology to generate energy, but it even looks nice as it integrates with the architecture of your building.
IBIS is about not making a product, but it's also trying to change the world as soon as possible. So not talk about tomorrow, but talk about today, and that's what this afternoon is about.
Ik wil iets hebben wat vernieuwend is en mij dichter brengt bij de doelstellingen die ons voor ogen staan.
We want to be carbon neutral in 10 years from now, and we can't do it by ourselves. We need new solutions.
I'm absolutely convinced that IBIS has the technology.
Hi Chris. Hi. How does it feel to do the official launching of the first PowerNEST?
Well, I'm very proud of it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, power! Yeah!